Hello friends, today I have received my iPad Air 3 and lot of thanks to Dr. Ashish Avasthi who facilitated purchase of this gadget from Amazon as it is not available in my city at any of these stores. Now I am going to unbox this Apple iPad Air 3rd generation. This is a long awaited gadget. I was waiting for this from last 2 weeks. Oh yes, now this is unboxed and this is the device. Now see, now looking from the top you can see the dimensions. It is 10.5-inch diagonally, the screen size is, and I have mainly purchased this device for taking online lectures and preparing notes and uploading the notes on YouTube channel. Now see, let's look at the morphology and anatomy of this, little bit of anatomy, not too much, of this gadget. First of all, here this you can see sensing device, sensing button. From here you can uh, set your touch ID security purpose, to serve the security purpose, and see, on the top you can see there is a on off button, and then this is Wi-Fi cellular model. You can see there is a earphone jack for 3.5 mm cord, and these are the buttons for increasing and decreasing the volume. And here is the SIM tray on the right side, bottom right side. SIM tray is given here. I am going to use a Airtel Nano SIM, as Airtel provides LTE technology in India. And we have got dual speakers here at the bottom, and this is sufficient for my purpose, as most of the time I am going to use the earphone for recording my lectures, and I am so much excited that I cannot decide from where to start. Okay, now let's have a look at the camera. The back camera is 8 megapixel camera, and front FaceTime camera is 7 megapixel camera, and the memory is we see the maximum memory that is offered by this model is 256 GB. Along with the packet, let's have a look at accessories provided with this iPad. This is lightning to USB cable, and see, in this packet some brochure is given, and there are two stickers. One quick manual is given here, another is a bit detailed manual given here, and some regulatory details and the detail of manufacturer. And here is the pin for opening the SIM tray, as usual, as it is provided in any SIM enabled device. Apart from this, charger is provided here, This is a 10 watt USB power adapter, and this can be fixed like this for charging, and that's all with the packet. And now I am going to use this piece for preparing my lectures, and this performs on the A12 Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture and neural engine. And its camera, about camera we must discuss. Let's have a look at the camera. It is also AR enabled camera and augmented reality. With the help of this capability, we can see the digitally created objects as a real object. So now let's wind up the video, and I am going to start this, and I will come back with some accessories, Apple iPen, and see you in the next video.